Hey there, thanks to Wellcomer for sending us this basketball inflatable. We're gonna open up this box. The weight of it is 38 pounds. It's pretty incredible that this huge 10 foot by 10 foot by 13 foot inflatable fits in this little box, but let's see what's inside. This was sent by the brand to check out and give our honest review. It comes with 2 bags that you can fill up with sand to act as weights. And we have ground stakes as well to hold it down. These are patches, so it's a nice little repair kit here. You get 2 purple and 2 yellow, and ropes to tie the stakes down, twine and needles for patching. And this set comes with 4 basketballs. So it's great, you can have lots of kids or grown-ups playing at once. Here's our little hand pump, it'll be great for the basketballs. I don't think you want to do the whole unit with this though. This comes with a bag, so after you deflate it, you can just wrap it up and put it in this nice drawstring bag. Good for storage. You want to carefully cut this so you don't pierce it. And here's the blower. This is a 550 watt blower. We're gonna get a lot of power out of this. They say it only takes about 2 minutes to inflate, so let's check it out and see what it can do. So before we pump air in here, we want to make sure that these air vents here are zippered closed. These are for really quick deflating when you're taking it down. So just make sure those are closed before you begin pumping. And I'm going to tie this like a hose here onto the air compressor. Okay, now all we have to do is hit the on button right here. People around to kind of shake it out so you get it in the right position. This is going up really fast. Woo! This is good. Okay, that was less than 2 minutes. That was crazy fast. So we have these loops going all around that you can tie down to stakes. So make sure you're tying it down so it doesn't blow away. This is all double stitched, by the way, so these are not going to pop a seam. So, all right.
Oh, you got one.
This is awesome for kids' birthday parties, corporate events, family reunions. It goes up really quick, it stores down really small. This will definitely give hours of fun for your next event.
1, 2, 3.
So to deflate
And down it goes.
Down it goes. To deflate it, all you do is turn off the air compressor, and you want a couple people to kind of get the air out, just like you would any sort of inflatable. Woo! So I'm going to open up the zipper here. Woo! I can feel the air coming out of there. It's just blowing.